What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you see by the title, today I'm gonna do into my sister's Instagram pictures. Yeah. Today my sister Instagram pictures and them some of them. Alright. Guys, by the way, you can go follow her at K Pinnock 123. And as far as I'm seeing, as far as me I see, she have up so nice picture and some of them. She have some nice pictures. She not have enough, but she have up so nice picture and some of them. Alright, I'm gonna see that one here. Alright, this one, I like that one here. But I would I rate this one from about I'm gonna say now. But I rate that one here from about 1 to 9. Cause this look cute. And plus you can see the filter them or something. I thought about me a tag. I'm gonna put it like right over here, so I'm gonna put it right here, so anyways, yeah. Me, like, as I say, I like the one here, but I rate it from 1 to 9 because it's cute and you can see the little snowflakes or whatever the heck that be. You can see the one filter she use, but that not really matter. But anyways, but I rate that one from 9. But I rate that one from 1 to 10, but I give it a 9. Yeah. And this next one, but I rate this from, I'll say, would I give it a 6? Would I give it a 6? You can see the edges them or something. I don't know what she have on, because obviously me never there at one time she take that picture here. You can see the little edges them or something, but I give it a 6. It can look nice, I like it. And this here I want video. I think I would be able to put this one on the screen because this is one video. But this one I would rate, when I give it a 5. When I give it a 5. Because this here, the filter in a black and white. Yeah, but I give it a would I give it a 5 and then something. I would give it a 5. This are our himbo assistant. As I said, this are our friend. Yeah, it's our friend, Brittany. Okay, this one though, the one here, I rate that one from 1 to 10, but I give it like, what's this here? Like bits. Yeah. But I rate that one here from 1 to 10, but I give it a 10 because I said the hair just like, you look oily, not oily, but like it looks shiny. And the clothes that she have on, it look nice, and the background, it look nice too. Yeah, But I give that one here a 10. Because I hear the clothes, our background, the clothes, the lightning, our clothes, the background, the lightning. Anyways, yeah, all of that. It look good. It take bright and I'm something there. So, but I give it a 10. 10 straight 10, right through. Oh, this one no. Oh boy, this one next video too. I don't think we can put this up on the screen because I don't know how to do that as yet. So this are just like I don't think should they go. I think that one should they go somewhere with me. Should they go somewhere with my cousin and should check that video here. I like that one here 5. Because they see she did come tell me say she did go somewhere with my cousin and my cousin friend them, and she did take it at the beach side and it looked nice. So and then people start ask her, she tell me say people start ask her if she photoshop it, and she said no, because the background on beach, cause you can see in the video you can see the water them the waves them move back and forth and them something them. So the clothes, the pants, the hair, I like the hair look nice, but I give that one here a 5 also. I like that one here a 5. Now get me wrong, it look really nice, but I'm gonna give it a 5. Oh, this one no. This one kind. This here one look nice. Yeah, that one here. This one look nice. I would give this one a 7. The filter look nice. The hair look nice. The lightning. Yeah, that they look nice too. So I'm gonna give this one a 7. Right through. This, oh boy, I think when I get that one here 4. Yeah, when I get that one here a 4. The hair look nice, the edges them look nice, but I would give it a 4. I give it a 4. I give it a 4. Oh, this one no, but I give this one a no. I say a 9 or a 7, but 7 to 9. But I give that one here. The hair look nice because she has a bit of hair, but not always. But sometimes she wear it and something. So I like it here. The hair look nice. The clothes look nice too. I don't think they take hair that time here, cause the time I live with my grandmother. Oh boy. I never live with her. I never live with my mother, cause she live with my mother. So never live with my mother that time here. When time she take a picture, but panda one here, I'm gonna give it like 8 to 9. Yeah, I'm gonna get that one here 8 to 9. The hair, the hair and the clothes look nice to me. I don't know what, but they look nice to me. I'm gonna give that one here about a 9. No, a 8 to 9. Yeah, 8 to 9. Oh, this one no. I remember that one here. But technically I wasn't there when she took it, but I remember it. I wasn't there when she took it, but this one deserves a 6 because she kinda like match out here, so she match out. She have a white jacket with a black and white dress. With one, I think she did have a black slippers to this year. We can't see the full thing. You can't see the full thing, but I think she did have on black slippers. Yeah, and you can see in her hand, or she have her phone. Our phone that day, I think so. She have her phone. She have her mask, and she have one black handbag. Yeah, she have a black handbag. The background kinda nice-ish. Kinda nice-ish. Yeah, she look nice. I'm gonna give that one here about a 6. I'm gonna give that one here a 6 and something. Oh, that one here, this is one video. Again, I don't think we can put the video up on the screen because I don't really know how to do that as yet. But we will soon learn that. It's one video when she did go. It's one video when she did go out with her friend. She now black and white. Wait. I think no, like I want blue. I think I want tights pants something. I'm not really sure if it how we describe that day. But I think I want pants tights something. She have one white blouse. One white short blouse. Yeah. And the white two white stripe they here so at our side there so two white stripe they here so and the front blue and the black blue. I think she have on more. And we can't say which the pants, but she have on the white blouse and the stripe at the side. I want blue at the front and blue at the black. So I kind of like this. So this will get both a 4. So I get a 4. But like 7 of a 4. But I give it a 4. This is a video. Yeah, this is a video. I hear nice. The what do you call it now? The filter nice. They are here like look shiny. I hear shiny. Guys, by the way, if me do put this up on the screen and you see this here, I should do right here. Is everything we should do in her hair? I should do it. She do every single thing in her hair. Yeah, so about 6 but we would get down here a 6. This one no. I think I would give this one a 4. I think I would give this one a 4. Both a 4, yeah. I'm gonna get that one here a 4, so. This one too, I want a video. But I give it a 4. Oh, this is she and our bestie. This is she and our bestie, Lexi. Well, technically, two of them are match out, but not really match out. But they like having the same shot, not same shots, but the two of them have on shorts, and she have on one long sleeve with one long sleeve blouse, which look nice, with one white watch. How much? Yeah, with one white watch, and our friend Lexi have on one white shorts with a black crop top. What's it called? Crop top. Not sure. Black crop top, and the crop top have on some butterflies on it, some color butterflies on it, and something. And the hair look nice. The clothes look nice. Like the clothes like look really really nice. So I'm gonna get that one here about a 10. Out of technically, let's not pay no attention. Say then that take one picture or maybe. Should I pay attention? I don't know. Or maybe that's how she did want to take it. The two of them look nice, so I'm gonna give them one here a 10. Oh yes. This year one no. This year I went time should have go for her birthday, which she look nice. This I want. But technically when you see it, it look like one all-in-one, but it's a skirt, and same skirt, same blouse, but the blouse kind of like cover up the skirt a little bit. Yeah, should have got to her birthday. She look nice, and yeah, the clothes she I think she have on white sneakers with the same white everything, and so the hair, the white band on it, or whatever that be. I want like orange bag because the clothes that she have on it have obviously, yeah, see it. The clothes that she have on the orange stripe them up here, so she wear one orange bag with it and one white sneakers. Yeah, I would give this one about a 9 cause I like the bag. The bag look really nice. I like it. But I get that one about a 9. So yeah, I give it a 9. I give this one a 9. This one are the same thing, but she take it down one different pose, different filter, and something. That one are the same thing. This video are the same thing too, but she like video everything this time. Again, I don't think we can put the video upon it, but maybe we'll try my best to put it on it. If me don't put it on it, maybe take a screenshot and post the put the video up on the screen. Me couldn't see it on something because nothing me can't do it. Yeah. This is the video of our full clothes. What should they wear go? What should we go out for our birthday and something. This is the full video. Oh, what you done? Did you really say you done? Yeah, it's finished. Yes, guys, that's it for today. I know this was very short, but this was me. So guys, you can go follow her at kppinock123 and also to follow me at Instagram at queen_tts_princess and oh god, I forgot to say this in the intro. Oh wait, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified of when I post videos, and give it a thumbs up, comment how much one would I rate them from 1 to 10, 3, 4, 5, I don't know. If you know that. And yeah. Oh yeah, go follow me at not Instagram, Snapchat at Queen Tash with the crown. Yeah, Queen Tash with the crown and something. That's it for today. Oh, by the way, and maybe me go down to school Thursday. This Thursday coming. Maybe me go down to school Thursday if I pick up more package and something. So maybe if me go down there, we see a vlog what me do. Yeah, maybe we see a vlog what me do, so I can get to see my friends then, because I feel like a long time I see them. A couple months ago, me did go down there for something again, and I found that when me did go down there at that time, they never seen none of them. And so maybe this week when we go down there, maybe if me go down there this week, maybe we'll see them. Maybe if we go down there this week, maybe see them. And also I will be doing a vlog. Yeah, yeah, I will be doing a vlog. So guys, you can stay tuned to see how that went. Yeah, by the way, I'm gonna start the family day home. I'm gonna start the family day home. I'm gonna get ready. We go down there and then something there. So yeah, that is it for today. Yeah, that's it for today. I'm really sorry guys, but this week this week Thursday or some other time. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and do them look nice something there. Peace.